Okay, we'll continue with step 17 on our MA 1600 ton barrel and screw removal. Now, as you can see here, we have the barrel completely removed from the injection casting, and we just did this by using the tow motor and a block of wood just to kind of work as a pry bar just to help slide it out. Now the next step, what we're going to do, we have it pretty well centered. As you can see, it's hanging pretty good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the front end of the barrel, bring it into the injection or the stationary casting, then we'll lower the back end of the barrel like this, and then we'll just work its way out of the machine. And then we'll continue on with step 18 once we're ready to put the new barrel and screw in. Okay, step 18 of our barrel and screw change for an MA 1600. The old barrel is out, sitting on the floor. This is the new barrel and screw hanging. I'm a firm believer in the copper anti-seize. As you can see, any place that's going to be metal-to-metal contact, particularly where it's going to pick up heat, I believe in anti-seize. This just happens to be the style of anti-seize that we use here. And again, there's many different styles of anti-seize. I'm not highlighting anybody particular's brand, but I'm just a big fan of the copper over nickel. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and swing it in just like we did taking it out, and we'll catch up with you here on probably step 19. Okay, here we are now with step 18 of installing our barrel and screw on the MA 1600. So as you can see now, we have the barrel is strapped. The end of the barrel that goes into the casting, we're into it about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches right now. One thing that you want to watch when you're doing this is there is an anti-rotate pin here at the very bottom. You want to make sure this pin gets lined up with the cutout in the casting. You can change it if we have to by just changing your strap position and lifting up and rotating it. That will work. And if we have to do that on this one, we'll show you how to do that, and we'll go from there. So that'll take care of it. We're going to finish putting the barrel into the injection unit, and then we'll come back and show you where we're at from there. All right, here we are with step 19. We've got the barrel most of the way back in. What we've done is our pin here that we talked about, the anti-rotate pin on the bottom. Now, what we did to get that lined up, we couldn't get the strap to grab the barrel the way we wanted it to. So we installed 2 bolts in the nozzle adapter. Not the nozzle, but the barrel. And then we just used this piece of wood with a little bit of leverage and just rotated the barrel in the housing to get everything lined up. Then one of the other steps that we did was that we pushed the injection unit, the whole injection unit forward, the whole carriage forward. So we now are a little bit closer here with lining up our pin. The reason we did that was we didn't have enough room to get the barrel all the way in with where the drive shaft was on the machine. So now we're going to go ahead and finish pushing the barrel in. Then we'll go ahead and look at getting everything reassembled, and we'll go back with number 20 here in just a few minutes.